Okay, today we're going to work on making your portfolio in Google Drive. This is going to be where you're going to share all your documents with me. The first thing that you're going to have to do though is log into your Google account. You have to log into your school one, not your personal one. The second thing you have to do is you have to use Chrome to go to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you're going to see an image like this one. This is my account, so it just has my documents in it, but you're gonna see anything that you've used over the last couple years. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the new button, right? So we're gonna click on that, and you're gonna see a new screen that's gonna look like this. And here you're gonna click on the folder. We're gonna make a new folder, and this is gonna be your chemistry folder for the whole year. So here we go, folder, and this is what you'll see next. Now here's the deal with the folder. You're gonna share it with me after you make it, and so that I can keep everything really organized, your chemistry folder is gonna be organized by set number and your last name. So whatever set you are for my chemistry classes, you're gonna put your set number there and then your last name. So it should look just like this. So maybe your set number is 7, so you would start with set 7, and maybe your last name is Lesh, so you'd write Lesh. So your folder would be titled Set 7 Lesh. Okay, so now we're gonna double click right here. Okay, and you'll see the drop files here, and then you're gonna go up to where your folder is titled and click that down arrow. And next you wanna select share. And here's where you're gonna type in my email address so that you can share it with me, and I'll be able to see everything that you put into this folder. You can type a note into me, but you do not have to, but please do notify me. Make sure that box is checked there. And then in the end, you're gonna click send. Okay, next up, we're gonna put a couple other things in here. So we're gonna put some more folders, and the folders are gonna be for each unit that we're gonna do this year. So make your first folder in there called measurement. That's actually gonna be the first unit that we do this year. And then make your second folder called matter. That'll be the second unit that we do this year. Here's a list of the folders that you have to have within your set number last name folder that you've shared with me. You might want to pause it here and type each of those in. I'd like you to have each of those folders already made so that as we go through the year, you can just be adding documents to those folders. Remember also, because you shared your set number last name folder with me, everything inside of it is already shared. So you don't have to share any of those other folders with me. Because the top one is shared, everything inside of it will be too. Here's what it'll look like in the end. Thank you so much for making your folder.